Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Chinese with Sophie. Today we are going to learn how to count number 0 to number 99 in Chinese. 1, 一 2, 二 3, 三 4, 四 5, 五 6, 六 7, 七 8, 八 9, 九 10, 十 0 零 Now let's count from 0 to 10. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. From 11 to 19, we just need to read 10 plus 1 to 9. For example, 11, we read it as 10 plus 1. 11 12 equals 10 plus 2. So we read 12 in Chinese, 12 14 equals 10 plus 4. So we read it in Chinese, 14 18 equals 10 plus 8. So we read it in Chinese, 18 Now you must know how we read 19 in Chinese. That's right, 19 Now let's count from 11 to 19 together. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 From 20 to 19, it's also very logical in Chinese. We just need to put number 2 to 9 in front of 10 in Chinese. So 20 is 20, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 70, 80 80, 90 90. Now let's count from 20 to 90 together. 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90. From 21 to 99 is also very logical in Chinese. Basically, you just need to read all the numbers one by one and add 10 in between. For example, 21 is 2, 10, 1. So we read it in Chinese, 21. Another example is 3, 10, 5. So we read it in Chinese, 35. 99 is 9, 10, 9. So in Chinese, 99. Now you know how to read all the numbers from 0 to 99 in Chinese. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30、31、32、33、34、35、36、37、38、39、40、41、42、43、44、45、46、47、48、49、50、51、52、53、54、55、56、57、58、59、60、61、62、63、64、65、66、67、68、69、70、71、72、73、74、75、76、77、78、79、80、81、82、83、84、85、86、87、88、89、90、91、92、93、94、95、96、97、98、99. Okay, that's our lesson for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.